Model, 2018 Fiat Doblò Cargo 1.3 MultiJet 16-valve 95SX in black. Starts, runs, clutch needs replacing, no VAT. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 166215. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 33,010,000. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The clutch pedal is on the floor. The concentric slave cylinder is leaking fluid. Straightforward clutch replacement job. Engine start and sound perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, electric window.